Kenneth Duremdes, born January 31, 1974, is a Filipino retired professional basketball player who currently serves as the president of the Maharlika Basketball League MPBL. Nicknamed as Captain Marbel, Duremdes played in the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA) from 1995 to 2008. He is a 6-time PBA champion, a 2-time Finals MVP, a 1-time MVP in 1998, and a former member of the Philippine national basketball team. Duremdes played for Edimson University in the UAAP during the mid-90s and was touted as one of the future PBA superstars. He also played in the Philippine Basketball League, where he had solid credentials. One of Edimson University's greatest players, Duremdes immediately gave basketball fans a glimpse of his talent, earning Rookie of the Year honors with Burger Machine back in 1993 in the PBL. Under the tutelage of Coach Perry Ronquillo, Duremdes turned from a raw cager into a fearless slasher and was instrumental in giving Burger Machine a championship in 1994. After 2 years with the PBL, Duremdes moved on to the PBA and was picked 3rd overall in the 1995 draft. Coaching career, Duremdes was hired by his college alma mater Edimson University as the head coach of its basketball team, replacing Leo Austria, who decided not to renew his contract with the Falcons. The team manager of the Edimson Falcons confirmed the choice of Duremdes as the Falcons' new head coach. National team career. In 1998, Duremdes was again named to the Philippine Centennial team for the Bangkok Asian Games. He had outstanding numbers against teams from Asia and led the country to a bronze medal finish. The country also won the Jones Cup in Taiwan the same year. He led all scorers in the 1998 Asian Games and the 1998 Jones Cup, averaging 11.9 points per game and 17.3 points per game, respectively. In 2002, Duremdes once again took part in the national team that played in the Bisan Asian Games. Personal life. Kenneth Duremdes married Vanessa Cariaga in 1993 at the Manila City Hall, and the ceremony was officiated by Reverend Jesus Mesa before witnesses Manolita San Luis and Nora Atienzo. Duremdes contracted a second marriage with Teresa Ibasco in 1996. Cariaga filed a bigamy lawsuit against him. Thereafter, he filed an annulment of marriage case, which was later dismissed by a Quezon City Regional Trial Court, Branch 255. The ruling was affirmed on October 21, 2008 by the Philippine Court of Appeals 9th Division. In November 2017, Duremdes was named commissioner of the upstart Maharlika Filipinas Basketball League, succeeding Snow Badua, where he would since oversee the league's first 7 seasons of play from 2018 to 2025. On January 17, 2026, he was promoted to league president, with Emerson Oreta succeeding Duremdes as league commissioner. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.